Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 8 stainless steel gold with the Starlight Sport Band. Alright, so we have the watch here and we're going to pair it to the iPhone 13 Pro, and this is my wife's phone, so this case pretty much don't judge me. And we have the gold iPhone 14 Pro here as well. So let's go ahead and open the box. Not gonna do too much talking here, just a straightforward unboxing. So we have in the box, this is the box, put that aside, and we have the band in this one separately. So we're gonna go ahead and open the band, and we have, this is the Starlight band, 41 millimeter, and this is the small to medium band. Depending on the size of your hand, you have to pay attention to the size band you're getting. Okay, so let's go ahead, open this side. There we go. Let's put this box aside, and this is what the Starlight looks like. Almost like a light pink or something, but let's open this, and here we go. This is the band right here. It's like a silicone band. So we have one side here and the other side is gonna be here. So this is the color. Let me pull it in close so you can see. There it is. All right, put that aside, and we have the watch here. So let's go ahead and open our watch. There we go. Here it is. So we have the watch. Charging cable is right here. We're not going to use this at the moment, so let's put that back in the box here, and we have our watch right here. So here's a watch. Let's take it out the sleeve. Let's just pop this in two, and here it is. 41 millimeter gold stainless steel Apple Watch Series 8. And this with the stainless steel versions of the Apple Watch, they do come with the cellular capability. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna activate that. But before I do that, I'm just gonna put this band on so you see what it looks like with the band. So let's go. And this aluminum tab at the bottom, this is this part you want to have it pointed down. Okay, so we're gonna put that on the watch. Make sure it's snapping like this, and then the other side's gonna go in like this. Put it this way. There we go. Snaps right in. So this is what it looks like. All right, so if you're trying to pretty much make a combo, choose a band and not sure which one you want to get, and you're looking into getting this color with the stainless steel watch gold, this is what it looks like. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, turn this on, and we're gonna connect our cellular service. Okay, so let's go ahead and power the watch on. The power button is right here at the bottom. So before I pair this, we just exchanged our previous watch, and I unpaired it from the phone. But what I did, I saved the cellular service. I did not remove the plan. I kept the plan that was on the previous watch. So depending on your situation, if it's your first time getting cellular, I'm going to show you what to do as well. Okay, all right, so let me go ahead and put in the password for the phone. Okay, so Here, this is what you see on your watch. So this is just telling you to bring your iPhone closer to the watch. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and bring it closer, and this is gonna pop up on your phone to pair the watch to your phone. So you're gonna hit continue, and you're gonna hit setup for myself, and you're gonna see this here. You're gonna have this galaxy looking thing animation on the watch screen. You're just gonna put it in this square, and it's gonna see your Apple Watch is paired right here. So we're gonna go ahead and restore from backup, because we did have, this is the, so we're good. This is all the backup that's on the phone, and the last one that was backed up was today at 10:34 a.m. So that's before we returned this old watch. So this is the one we're gonna restore from. So I'm gonna hit this, we're gonna select it and hit continue. So if it's your first time setting up a watch, you're not gonna see that option. It's gonna just tell you to set up your new watch. That's it. All right, we're gonna hit agree. So I know you might be wondering why we returned the other watch. It was a stainless steel band, the Milanese or whatever the band is, I forgot the name of it. It was tugging on the hairs on my wife's hand. It pretty much, it tugs on the hairs on your hand and it's pretty uncomfortable, so we couldn't live with that. And also this one, if you choose the option to go with one of these bands, you also save $50 as well, so it's cheaper going this route. So it says to create passcode. We're not gonna use a passcode, so if you want to, you could go ahead and set that up, but we're not gonna use that. And we're gonna leave the text as it is right now. We can also, you can adjust the text here, as you can see, make it bigger or smaller, but we're gonna go back to right here, the second notch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit continue. So depending on the text size you want, you're gonna select that right here by pulling the bar across. Further right you go, the bigger the text gets. So you're gonna hit continue, we're gonna hit OK. All right, it's gonna show all your personal information there, so we're gonna go ahead and hit continue, and this is where we're at. We're gonna go ahead and set up cellular right here, and it's loading up, and we're gonna have here, it says add a new line or transfer. Now we're gonna transfer because we didn't delete the plan we had on the old watch. It's still backed up, so we're gonna go ahead and hit transfer, and we hit continue. All right, it says thank you for your purchase. So the cellular plan for the watt that was on the one that we returned is now on this new one, so we're gonna hit confirm setup. Okay, and then we're gonna hit continue again. Always on display, continue, grid view, continue, and it says Apple Watch is syncing, so we just gotta wait until it finishes syncs, and then we're gonna go forward. So if you want to learn something new as well, you could hit on get to know your watch, and you could select some of these options here, and it will show you different things you can do on the watch. So we're just gonna wait until this syncs. And here we go. It says device added to account. We hit OK, and we're gonna hit OK again right here. And walkie-talkie would like to say notification. Hello. And there you see it. We have the Apple Watch setup, and it's just like the previous one we had. Okay, so everything from the old watch is now ported over to this new one. If it's your first time setting up your Apple Watch, then you could go ahead and create your custom home screen and all that. Okay, so now the watch is set up. I could go ahead and click on all watches here. So if you click on this, it's going to show you the watch right here that you're currently using, and which is this one. So all the other ones disappeared. Okay, those were the backup when we were setting up the watch. So we're going to hit done there, and that's pretty much it. How to set up your Apple Watch and pair it to your phone and set up the cellular service. Okay, so thank you for watching. If it's your first time and this video helped you out, please consider subscribing, turning your notification bell on to get notified when I have another upload on this channel. Okay, thank you for watching again. Peace.